First we have to cut one onion. Then we have to cut garlic and beans. Then we have to wipe the beans. We are putting 1 cup rice, and then which we have wiped the beans. Then we put beans. Then we put salt. Then we put chili
Flakes.
Chili flakes. Then we put all the veggies.
Ginger.
Ginger. Then we mix it all up. Then we mix it. 1 cup flour. See if we can make it. Then we taste one bite. Then we put salt, then we put lemon, put pepper, we wind it all up, then we put it in a plate. Oopsie. Make another tikki. Make another tikki. 4 tikkis. We take them to fry. We put a little bit oil in the pan. We put 1 tikki, 2 tikki, and fry them nicely. Put them in the plate, the fried tikkis. Take another, fry them again. Then we took 2 little sweet buns. Then we cut tomatoes. Then we put a little bit ketchup, spread them everywhere, put olives, put that bun, put tomatoes, put onions, cut them and put a little sweet one. And the burger is ready. See, it was so simple to make. Thank you for the video. Please subscribe to watch my voice video.
Say it again. Say it again.
Please subscribe to my voice channel.